The alljita ProBucker Humbucker Pickups Set uses Alnico 5 magnets to deliver a warm, classic voice with clear highs and solid low frequencies that suit rock, blues, and vintage styles. Coil split capability via the push and pull controls lets you switch between single coil sparkle and full humbucker power without rewiring your guitar. The included pre-wired harness with alpha potentiometers and plug-in connectors makes installation straightforward, even for players who are not comfortable with soldering. Both neck and bridge pickups maintain note clarity and definition under gain, while still providing a thick mid-range punch that cuts through a band mix. Build quality feels robust, with clean chrome frames and low noise performance that inspires confidence for regular gigging and recording. Compatibility with many single cutaway style guitars in both neck and bridge positions makes this set a practical upgrade path for refreshing an older instrument.